Phil's CNC wine rack can hold all the booze you ever need for a party, thanks to its modular design. This CNC wine rack just requires 5 sheets of plywood. In this configuration, it can hold 6 bottles, as you can see. And all it is 2 pieces repeated. You have the figure 8s, and you have the cross members. All right, well, let's make it. If you have many models to build, always start with the most complex first while you're fresh instead of later when you're tired. It will save you from making many mistakes. I hope you really enjoyed the making of this CNC wine rack. It's actually quite amazing what you can do with just basically 2 pieces repeated over and over again. You can buy the plans right now at woodmarvels.com. I'll see you in the next video.